Hello. Hi, welcome back to Tasting Journey with Eddie. About to go to the gym, but I thought of something that maybe I'm gonna start looking at in near future. There's a correlation between brandy, whiskey, and wine, and one of them is alcohol content. Whiskey and brandy tend to have high alcohol content, up to 50% and above. Wine typically goes up to 15%. Then the other thing that is very common is the fermentation process. They all begin with fermentation. The yeast is converted into sugar. Yeast converts sugar into alcohol. Okay, so wine is made from fermented grapes. Whiskey is made from fermented grains like barley, corn, and rye. Brandy is made from fermented fruit, often grapes. Like wine, and then they all use natural ingredients. Okay, so whiskey and brandy use natural ingredients, of course, like barley, corn, and wheat. Grapes also, of course, they are fresh. Number 4 is aging. They all can be aged. Aging develops the flavor. Okay, so wine may be aged in bottles or in oak barrels. Whiskey usually is aged in wooden barrels. Brandy, just like whiskey, is aged in oak barrels. Okay, and also the other thing, number 5, would be the flavor complexity. Whiskey, brandy, and wine, of course, also because of the raw material, the fermentation process, and the aging process, the complexity and the flavors is also something that they have in common. Of course, also the global acceptability. You know, this is for social gatherings, celebrations, culinary pairing. Whiskey, brandy, and wine go hand in hand. Global production, of course, wines are produced everywhere. Whiskey is produced, in so many regions. This is mainly Scotland, Ireland. Brandy, cognac in France. You know, these are some of the simple places where you can find these products. Then, of course, to look at the whole thing, you talk about wine goes with fermentation, no distillation, and then hence the percentages. And then now whiskey and brandy, the fermentation plus distillation, of course, gives you high alcohol percentage. So when you're choosing your next bottle, be it whiskey, be it brandy, know that all of them, they have a correlation. So when you're enjoying and savoring your whiskey and brandy, please remember that. And also when you're enjoying and swallowing your glass of wine, also remember that it goes through similar processes. And these natural materials and these processes are what we get to enjoy. And that's why we savor, sip, and enjoy the moments because of what the processes that goes into these products. So cheers, and see you on the next one.